Bill Goudy checking in. Got a package in the mail. Man, is that good. Ice cold. C.D. Morgan from Louisiana. Thought I should try some of this. Chupacabra rub. It's got 0 carbs in it. It's a fine meat rub. And season all. You can use this on salad. You can use this on all kinds of stuff. And I'm anxious to try this. It says all meats, wild game, seafood, sprinkle on salads, vegetables, French fries, and popcorn. Yeah, on C.D. Morgan and Associates at a 15th anniversary. It looks like. Yeah. Can you see that? I'm going to put it on. I'm going to do some chicken on the campfire tonight. I'm so darn tired. I am telling you. I've been cutting brush. Been cleaning out the ditch. We've had rain. It washed out the road. I worked on the road. Never ending. Every time I turn around, there's another project. It's warming up. I think it's 62, 63 degrees today, but it's overcast, and they're forecasting rain into tomorrow. So I'm gonna do. I got chicken hindquarters, and I eat 2 of them at a sitting. Now, I got 4. I had them frozen. I got them for 39 cents a pound. Yeah, I bought 10 pounds of them. Oh, you can't beat that. Yeah, I'm telling you, you just can't beat it. All right, well, I'm gonna put this on there. I think you guys have all seen me cook chicken, but I'm gonna try this rub out on it and see how it goes. Check it out. Yeah, I put that seasoning on. It's been on about, I don't know, 10 or 15 minutes, but I suppose it's going to be on about a half hour before that fire gets ready. So, yeah, looks good. Smells good, too. The temperature's dropping. Changed my hat, got my hood up, got my heavy coat on. I worked up a sweat. I did. And it's 54 degrees right now, so it's dropped, 7, 8 degrees, and the sun's going down. So C.D. Morgan made, as I recall, made some videos in the past, but I don't think he's made anything recent. I'll put his he's an excellent sub, I'm telling you, and I'll put his link down below. You guys check him out, sub him, and tell him Bill Goudy sent you. That's what I say. Look. If you could only smell that. Oh, it's almost ready. You know, that looks darker in the camera than it does in real life. I'm actually wondering if it's done. It looks darker. Huh. Oh, it's done. Juicy, look at that. Look at that. Oh. Mm-hmm. Wow, that's hot. That is good though. I love that. I can taste the pepper, garlic, got a little bit of lemon. Juicy. It's got a little bit of a kick. Oh, that's good. I'll tell you what. That is real good on chicken. Now I'm anxious to try it on other pork and beef, and I might even try it on fish. Thank you, CD Morgan. That is awesome. It really is. I got a salad made up, but you've seen me eat salad before. And it's getting dark. And I'm tired. I'll tell you what, I am tired. I want to thank you for watching. Goudy out.